G'day guys, Stanley here from Alphaweld. Today in this short video we're going to take a look at some of our best selling welding gloves from our Betaweld range. When it comes to welding safety, the use of improper or inferior welding gloves can lead to serious burns, so you want to be sure what you're wearing is suitable for your intended application. Good welding gloves are generally fire resistant, they protect from extreme heat, they're comfortable to wear, and they're versatile for MIG, TIG and stick welding. Betaweld Redisafe welding gloves are fully lined with split, heat and flame resistant cowhide leather, not to mention the double Kevlar stitching and reinforced palm, making these gloves more than capable to get all your welding jobs done safely. These gloves also offer great flexibility, dexterity and remain soft and supple inside to maximise comfort so you can weld for as long as you like with no discomfort. Also from the Betaweld range, Betaweld heat shielded TIG gloves are made with 100% leather construction and are light in weight, making them perfect for a variety of welding tasks. The flexible nature of these gloves offers welders ultimate dexterity, and despite their thinner construction, the innovative Kevlar heat shield and double Kevlar stitching provides reinforced strength, meaning that you can complete smaller intricate jobs with a peace of mind knowing that you won't burn your fingers. If you'd like to know more and get expert advice on the best glove for your application, reach out to us at Alphaweld. We're always here to help. Thanks for tuning in and see you on the next video.